Hi friends, welcome and welcome back again. 4.3 O Captain, My Captain इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप आज हम लोग इसके देखने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. पीक आउट फ्रॉम द पोएम ऑल वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू शिप, मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ देम इन अ वर्ड रजिस्टर. ए पॉट, बी जो है कील, सी वेसल, डी डेक, ई कैप्टन, एफ शोर्स, जी अनक्योर एंड एच वॉयज. Second आएगा read the poem again and complete the following sentences. A, the captain lies on the deck fallen cold and dead. B, the captain does not answer as his lips are pale and still. C, captain does not feel anything, he is dead and has no pulse or will. D, the bugle and flag are raised and sounded respectively to welcome the captain. Third, the poem has a direct reference to the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln on 15th April 1865 after the Civil War was won. Match the symbols images to column A with that they refer to in column B. A और B का आपको करना है. A की लगाना है आपको C की, सेकंड E, थर्ड A, फोर्थ का F से, फिफ्थ का B से, सिक्स्थ का G से एंड सेवन्थ का D से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फोर्थ ए. द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच अपॉस्ट्रॉफी एग्जिस्ट थ्रू आउट द पोएम. पिक आउट लाइन्स वेयर द पोएट डायरेक्टली एड्रेसेस. ए, द डेड कैप्टन. कैप्टन राइज अप एंड हियर द बेल्स. सेकेंड, हियर कैप्टन, हियर कैप्टन dear father, this arm beneath your head. B, the grief in his heart, oh bleeding drops of red, the bleeding drops of red. C, the seashore exult, oh shores for you the shores a crowding. B, I find from the poem one example of each of the following. A, personification, the vessel's grim and daring. Alliteration, the ship is anchored safe and sound. Repetition, oh heart, heart, heart. D, exclamation, oh captain, my captain. Trilogy, cold and dead. Antithesis, fearful trip. Fifth आएगा find and answer in own words. A, what are the signs of the people celebrating victory? Answer, people are ringing the bells, flinging the flag, the bugle is also being played loudly. These signs show that people are celebrating victory. बी का आएगा यहाँ पर द क्राउड्स ऑन द शोर्स आर ईगरली वेटिंग टू फैसिलिटेट द कैप्टन. हाउ? आंसर बी, पीपल हैव ब्राउड बकेट्स, रिबन, garlands to facilitate the captain and they are also calling him. See, what are the signs that the captain has passed away? Answer, there are blood drops, the captain is fallen cold, motionless and his lips are pale and still. These signs indicate that the captain has passed away. D आएगा dear father, this arm beneath your head. Why do you think the speaker in the poem put his arm under the captain head? Answer, the captain is lying cold. The speaker put his arms under the captain's head hoping that the captain would get up. The speaker is hoping against hope. E, describe the grief that the speaker in the poem feels at death of his captain. Answer, the speaker in the poem addresses the captain ardently. He appeals the captain to rise up. He put his arms beneath the head of the dead captain. He also tells the captain to see the flying flags, colorful buckets, ringing bells braved for him. At the end, the speaker understands that the captain would not get up, so he mournfully walks away from him. 6, glance through the poem again to find who the speaker addresses in the first two stanzas and the last stanza. Answer, in the first two stanzas, the speaker addresses the captain and to the heart with. In the last stanza, the speaker addresses the shores and the falls bells. 7th है fill in the qualities in the diagram given below. आपको लिखना है qualities of ship captain, naval expert, knowledge of weather science. Common qualities, courage, integrity, visionary, confidence, self-discipline, leadership, foresight, positive attitude, good and administrative. Qualities of nation's leader, human, sympathetic, role model, selfless, service. 8. Complete the following choosing from the alternative. आपको आएगा the rhyme scheme of the poem is A A B B C D E D. B. The line repeated in every stanza fallen cold and dead. C. The steady rhythm in the poem must consist of pattern of 4. D. In the third stanza the speaker does not address the captain. E. The type of poem is elegy because it is composed in memory of passed away personality. 9th. The feeling of grief and pain of a speaker in this poem are comparable to those of a great Maratha leader. In spite of winning the battle at a fort in Maharashtra, guess who the great Maratha leader was and the captain who was killed in the battle. Write down other basic historical facts of the above. Answer. The Maratha leader was Shivaji Maharaj. His heart was full of grief and pain when Tanaji Malusari died. The captain was Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusari fought bravely. He fought against Mughal Sardar Uday Bhan. He fought to capture the prime fort Kondhana. Tanaji Malusare fought till the last breath. He achieved great success. It is one of the major events in the history of Maratha. He was famous for his bravery. King Shivaji described him Sig, a lion king. King Shivaji lamented on Tanaji Malusari's death. Moreover, Tanaji Malusari was summoned up when his son was about to get married. In this poem, O Captain, the speaker Walt Whitman's heart is full of grief and pain for Abraham Lincoln, who was U.S. leader. He fought against slavery in America. He fought till the last breath. Abraham Lincoln was assassinated. Abraham Lincoln succeeded in rooting out slavery in America. 10th, the poem describes the sad demise of the captain. How would you console the son of the captain? Write a short paragraph using the points given below. And answer आपको लिखना है destiny. Oh son of a great captain and brave father, calm down. I can understand the feelings of torn heart. How difficult it is to accept this fact that your father is no more. The destiny has played cruel game with your father. Blood froze in veins when I heard about the sad demise of your father. It seemed as if the sky fell on me. But my brother, be brave. Swallow this pill of grief for us. Maybe God has proposed something else for us. Accept it as an act of God. He is our supreme Father. He knows your father. God knows how selfless and human your father was. Good. God would definitely do just judgment. Please rise up. You have to come out of this grief as early as possible. Your mother would collapse if you lose yourself. Be a phoenix bird. We are with you. We are your rock supports. Many great men were assassinated by madmen. History witnessed them. But remember, a person can be assassinated, but not these thoughts. Your father would remain alive in the hearts of people till eternity. The nations never forgot the human beings like your father. You have to carry forward your father's remain work for the people like US. You are the ray of hope who will carry forward the work of humanity without you. So please wipe off your tears. Awake, rise and walk till ultimate goal is not achieved. Question number 11. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences. Refer to them. Answer देखिए. Title. The title of the poem, O Captain, My Captain. Poet Walt Whitman is the poet of this poem. Theme. Central idea. The central idea of the poem is lamentation of the death of Captain Here America, which laid undergone the Civil War, is compared to a ship that had weathered a rough voyage. 4th है rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme of for the long line stanza is AABB. Figure of speech repetition. O Captain, My Captain, our. These words are repeated for poetic effect. Special feature. The tone of the poem is full of sorrow. The speaker is very sad about the death of his captain Abraham Lincoln. The poem is an elegy. 7th favorite line. My favorite line is, O Captain, My Captain, I like this line for its forceful rhythm. 8. Why I like the poem? I like the poem because the 3 stanzas reflect the mourning state of the speaker, and also the poet has given a nice tribute to Abraham Lincoln through this poem. तो ये थे इसके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम 4.4 की देखेंगे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. बाय.